Welcome to the NeoFactory process. The materials we source here are unlike any other in the world, secured behind this fence.
Welcome to NeoFactory process. Today, we are entering the most dangerous production line on Earth.
It starts here. Not with leather, but with apex predators.
Tahan! Dorong balik! Awas! Guna gagalah itu!
If these eggs are rotated, the embryo drowns. Precision is life or death.
Maintaining the exact temperature is key, as it determines the sex of the hatchling.
We maintain a precise 32 degrees Celsius and 99% humidity.
Temperature is destiny. We keep it at exactly 32 degrees to produce males. Males grow faster and have whiter skins.
As you can see here, the network of veins is clearly visible, indicating healthy development.
Welcome to the nursery. After birth, the young are moved here to their individual housing units. This separation is crucial for their development.
In the wild, they fight. In the factory, fighting ruins the product. Isolation is mandatory.
Engineered for maximum growth speed. 50% protein.
Once they reach 1 meter, their skin is tougher. They move to the grow-out pens.
Grade 2 skins can't be huge handbags. They become wallets or keychains. Value drops by 60%.
Nothing is wasted. The meat is sold to restaurants as a delicacy.
Step 6, tanning and grading. The hides are rehydrated in massive rotating drums before we move on to the liming process.
We don't want hard scales. We want soft leather. This chemical bath dissolves the hard keratin surface.
This is the moment it stops being animal skin and becomes durable leather. The chrome locks the fibers forever.
Tanning reveals lies. Flaws hidden on the farm are now visible. Only 10% make the final luxury grade.
This skin is downgraded instantly. It will never be a top-tier handbag.
The heat locks the dye into the fibers, ensuring it never bleeds.
From a 20-centimeter hatchling to this, 50 skilled hands have touched this object.
The price isn't just markup. It's insurance against the thousands of skins that failed to make the grade.
Paradoxically, this industry keeps the species alive. Without the farm value, their wetlands would be drained.
This is the reality of NeoFactory process, turning the dangerous into the desirable.
Do you want to see how venomous cobras are bottled for wine?
Or how bulletproof stingray skin is sanded into jewels?
Cast your vote in the comments. The most requested factory gets filmed next week.
I'm presenter Name, and this is NeoFactory Process.